What's up with this track, y'all?
Yeah.
Hold up. What's up with this track? We don't usually see cars coming up on other cars.
Yeah, 100%.
So
yeah, we never see that. What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another motorsports reaction.
Yes.
Super excited about this video, guys. If you're new to us
and we new to you,
make sure you scroll down,
hit that subscribe button,
and turn on the post notification bell
because we're on the road to 10K.
And we cannot get there without you guys, all right? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Oh, that's that little car I was talking about last. Yeah, look, that little car I was talking about last time.
You called it bumblebee.
No, that's not the same one.
No.
I called it blueberry.
Oh, blueberry. I like the flashing lights.
That's so cool looking.
That's a lot of dust.
Man, I can see how babies running in that. Just running into that. I'm like, that's a car in there, son.
In the dust?
Yeah, it's just running right into that. Look at that.
That's a lot of dust. But I like the flashing lights.
Yeah,
I feel like it adds drama.
It's not bad. It's a good way to look at it. Especially when they see you coming. Oh my goodness.
Being on the deck.
That's the same dude that screamed last time. If you scream, that's him. Okay.
You getting help?
Probably not. Keep going straight,
People
sir.
gonna help.
He said keep going straight. Yo, these dirt roads are no joke. This is where I would fear for potholes at. And my question is, do they even check for that? I don't even think that matters now. Oh, snap. We hardly see this.
Yeah.
We hardly see this part. Yeah, you see potholes, like the mud, the big old muddy indentions and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
And imagine, like, we've driven in mud like that on a regular basis. They're driving at high speeds.
Maybe from now on, when I come pick you up, I'm doing that. Flashing the lights like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, he can't see a thing.
Oh.
Ooh, wee. See, I'm getting my voice back. I can do it now. Another one. Yo, they just keep. This must be a very, like,
tough
track, yeah.
Ooh, he did that. He did that.
I think they like know they're going right, but they know they gotta keep going. Ooh, they got the fighter.
That would be easy.
He can't see worth the Lord. I would have like, man, put that thing over, climb out, do something. I need you to. Man, they windshield wipers don't spit out water. That looks so nice. Oh, bro, that would be a fire NASCAR picture.
It's the slow-mo that makes it dramatic.
Put that on the frame, man. That would be nice. Uh-oh. I think they need to invest into, like, a next level windshield wipers or something. Because,
what's up with this track, y'all?
Yeah.
Hold up. What's up with this track? We don't usually see cars coming up on other cars.
Yeah, 100%.
So
yeah, we never see that.
And it seems like the same, race, this whole video. So this seems like a little bit of problems. I'm hoping that everybody made it out okay, though.
Yeah, I hope there was no crazy collisions with the cars hitting each other. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. You can hit a tree.
We don't see that.
You can flip. We see those.
You can hit a tree.
We see that all the time, but we don't see the cars smacking into each other.
Right.
People are like getting severely hurt like that. We don't want that.
Yeah.
But everything else is unavoidable. You can't avoid the tree when you're going fast like that.
I know. He passed so close to that car. I just know
You scratch my pipe. Yo, let's get it. This track look like he don't got no crazy jumps. Ooh, Lord. The fear of a rock that's coming from under. Ooh, see. Ooh, see, you missed it, baby.
Oh, you about to get by the people?
Yeah, you missed that one. Check it out. Check him out. Look at that. Look at that flying out. Look at his time.
Not when he about to give out
Look
the
at
people,
that.
babe.
Look, the ball joint just flew out. Oh, is that a break that came off? Look at the tail like them waved off too. Yeah, so they ain't gonna stop. Stay with it. Let's go. Woo! Hey, this is a sexy course. It's a lot of curves. And it's ratchet. Look out there. I'm telling you, them helicopter views is crazy. I like it. All that water, man. This is the mud. This is the potholes I was talking about. These are the potholes that I was talking about.
Oh my God! Oh, it's fantastic.
He having fun.
Turn camera, guys. I have to wipe my window.
Let's go. I just can't see myself driving normal again in public after doing a course like this. And then then they say that this like hours. Yeah, see. Yeah, okay, put me back in the matrix after driving crazy like this. Can't see, my boy. Is your car smoking or is that dust?
It's dust.
What are you hitting up here? What is that for?
Pour droite sur 40, droite non pointerelle. Sur gauche il tourne pour droite à fond.
Man, last time I drove like that was when you was pregnant. And I think I was racing home. Look at me coming home while you pregnant. Because I can't miss the birth. Huh? This was for Sienna. Because it's funny, right when I made it back. Oh! I'm glad that was rubber.
3 left, cut round still on through grass.
Yeah, see, I gotta avoid all that. Like, I gotta go eat some of the grass a little bit.
Cut even. 4 right sharp, big dumped. Late kill 5 left sharp.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
That's beautiful, though.
A beautiful mess. That's amazing. Look at that.
And he came out looking like...
I see smoke. I see black smoke, white smoke. That ain't no dust. This called smoking.
It's hard.
Oh, you ain't gonna check on that? You gonna wait till it blow up to say something wrong with your car. That's what they do.
They gonna wait till they blow up. Oh my God.
They wait till their car blow up. A tire comes off. Windshield comes complete. They do all that before they say, yeah, the car is damaged.
This is extreme. This reminds me of Rally B.
Better yet, when the wheels stop turning, that's when they get out the car to check on it.
Because they can't go nowhere.
No, you remember that one time whenever they had, like, somebody drove right into the water? And they was trying to save their papers?
Yeah,
then there's blow drying it in the hotel?
Mm-hmm. Them notes.
Yeah. Man, this is a... Like C said, this is sport you gotta be built for. But man, this is... Child.
I don't even think I'm built enough to go watch it on the sidelines of the people. I wouldn't even be able to stand right there and watch it on TV.
Nah, bro, it's pedestrians, bro. They're all in the they all at risk when it comes to this race. Not the ones that's in a tent and far back. It's the ones who like the camera and they want to be real close.
Yeah. He riding?
Okay, we got some good knee space. What happened? What happened? Something broke? He shook? He got stuck? So I know they're paying good money for them photos and the videos. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's a sex one. They're on them curves. Let's get it. Nice. Them rocks. Tell y'all, bro, them rocks be popping out. Y'all better duck. It's like standing next to a lawnmower on the gravel. Woo! Look at the trail that thing to the left. And he got knocked off the court. We did not see that, bud. What happened? We need that film to come back. I think that's probably one that was smoking because his hood, his trunk is open.
Yeah. But they all have that.
Well, you can tell the difference between the smoke though, babe. Like that's brown. That don't have black like that. See, that's white. Nah, that's probably him right here. Yeah, that's him right there. He probably trying to get back on the road. He look like he's struggling.
Going so slow.
On the full strike.
Yeah, that white and black stuff coming out shouldn't be popping out like that. Oh, we got a handshake. Is this the end? Oh, y'all got a team for real. They be back in the tent. Okay.
That was
I thought
good.
it was just the people in the car that was just communicating. They got people in the tent too that's communicating with them.
It's been a while since we reacted.
I'm sorry.
It's
My
been a
bad.
while. Gotta remember everything.
Okay.
Yes, but this was a good one.
Yeah.
Y'all know we love us some rally. So we hope you guys enjoyed it with us. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We'll see you soon. Peace.